What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another course video in the Ecom Lab. Now in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use CBO campaigns during the scaling phase. Now, you won't be able to do this whenever you test your products. I highly recommend you guys wait till you scale your products until you're making at least $300 to $500 profit to get into this phase. Now, before we get into the video, guys, make sure you like this video because this video is going to be filled with value-packed information. And also make sure you join the Telegram chat in the link in the description. Without further ado, guys, let's get straight into the content. All right, so hopping into my computer, guys. If you don't know what CBOs are, it's basically you're using the budget at the campaign level. It's very simple, guys. A lot of you guys are probably used to using the budget at the ad set level, but just think of it as you giving your money to Facebook to where they are going to spend your budget and distribute it to your ad sets. So basically, I'm going to be showing you guys step by step on how to create these CBO campaigns, how long you should be running them, and what to expect when you run these CBO campaigns. So right in front of me, guys, we have about 8 ad sets. Most importantly, you want to have at least 5 to 10 ad sets in your CBO campaigns. If you do a little bit more, you're going to have a bigger budget. Okay, we're going to be starting at $200 per day with our campaigns, and you want to at least have 5 to 10 ad sets within that $200. Okay, so what you're going to do, guys, is going to select about 5 of them that actually worked and got you the most results of sales. Let's say these 5 worked: Chewy, Corgi, puppies, dog food, and magazines. The rest did not do too well, so we're going to just stick with these 5. So you're going to duplicate that. And once you duplicate that, you're going to create a new campaign, and you're going to make sure conversions is selected, and you're just going to simply just do it one time. And then you're going to name your budget CBO1. Very simple. Then you're going to duplicate that. So once that happens, guys, you're going to come back into your campaigns. You're going to select CBO. You're going to edit that, and make sure you turn on campaign budget optimization by scrolling down and switching that on. And you're going to start at $200 per day. Now, we are starting at $200 per day, guys, because we are in the scaling phase. You do not want to test your products with CBO campaigns because you don't have enough data. You know, you're gonna spend so much money in this time, especially when you're using CBOs and you're giving money to Facebook. And so if you're testing your ad sets without knowing which ad sets work, you know, Facebook is gonna spend $30, $50 on one ad set, not get you sales, and then you're gonna come crying to me saying that why it didn't work. Okay, only do this whenever you're scaling your products, guys. All right, so then after you selected $200 as your budget, you're going to come in here, you're going to go into your ad sets, make sure everything is good to go, and you're going to simply just review and publish it. Now, once you review and publish it, guys, you want to just run this for about 3 to 5 days, minimum of 3 days, which equals 72 hours. Okay, you're going to analyze it, see how they do. And so if it doesn't work out too well, all you need to do is lower the budget. Okay, now here's the thing, guys. Whenever you're spending these CBO campaign budget optimizations, you have the ad sets that actually got you sales in the first place. So you know that they work. But if you go into your ads manager and you start turning things off, you start switching things out and doing all these extra stuff, you're basically going to be messing up your algorithm in your CBO campaigns. So all you really need to do is change the budgets up or down. If it does well, you want to increase and double your budget at $400 per day. Then if that works, then you're going to double that $400 into $800. Okay. Now, if that doesn't work, guys, all you have to do is subtract your budget by half. So you're basically going to go from $200 to $100 per day. So then you're going to run that for another 3 to 5 days, see how that works. Then you're going to double the budget again, because you do have to keep in mind, guys, this is Facebook's machine learning. They're not always perfect, but they do work very well because it starts off really slow, then they're going to exponentially spike up. So your main goal is to find the right budget for your CBOs. So if it does end up working for you at $100, then you're going to go back to $200. And if that works, guys, then you're going to keep going up. Okay. Now, again, guys, you do want to make sure you are monitoring this every 24 hours. Don't just run it for 3 days and not know what exactly is going on. You want to make sure you are looking and making sure that your account is in good standing, your ads are being responsive to your customers, you're replying to your comments, you're doing all these extra things so that you can run your ad CBO campaigns smoothly. Okay. Now, whenever you're scaling these CBO campaigns, guys, they don't only work for interest ads, but you can also use lookalike audiences, which is my favorite because these are going to be the most accurate Facebook audiences for your ads managers. So at this point of the course, guys, your pixel should be hot and on fire, guys, because you're getting sales consistently, you're building data, and then now you can create lookalike audiences from 1 to 5%, because the farther away you get from 1%, you know, the less likely there's going to be exactly what your audience is. But you have all this data built up. Now you can create these CBO campaigns, put, you know, all these audiences into a group, let Facebook handle the budget, let it run, and see how that goes. It works very well. It has scaled, you know, my stores to thousands of dollars, and hopefully it helps you guys as well. And it's very simple method to scale in your Facebook ads. Now in my next video, guys, I'm going to be showing you how to do retargeting ads in your Facebook ads. This can literally change your business around, because now you have abandonment carts, you have customers that engage with your ad, you have customers that watch your video, you have customers that went on your website, didn't buy, or you have customers that bought from your website and are looking for more products from your store. So retargeting ads is going to be super powerful, and you do not want to miss out on that video. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you like this video as well. I'm going to be dropping more content in the future, and make sure if you want to talk everything dropshipping, make sure you check the dropshipping chat in the link in the description. I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.